How to transfer ownership on Canva. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up Canva. Now tap on the three lines. Now tap on your profile. Now click on settings. Now scroll down. Now under your profile you will find an option for team details. Tap on it. Now under manage your team, select change your team owner. Now tap on change owner. Now tap on the source for the team member. Now enter the member name and click on continue. Now follow the on-screen instructions to transfer the ownership. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.